Hi friends, this is Vahi Vijay Simha, Senior Software Engineer. I am going to explain one of the trending and emerging technology in the information technology field, artificial intelligence, today. So before going to the session, I want to make you few things understand and I want to ask you few questions. What is intelligence? What is artificial intelligence? What are the merits of artificial intelligence? Why technical people are reaching to artificial intelligence? For all the above questions and for all the above categories and questionnaires, here are the answers. So, I am directly going to the section called artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means it is nothing but making of intelligent computers and intelligent computer robots in order to operate complex business development process and also in order to reduce the complexities in the complex business applications. So, artificial intelligence plays a vital role in making computer robots with the help of computer robots in order to reduce the human intervention and human to human work and also to debug and root cause the process and also to give the performance of all all applications as well as all the complex functionalities, techno functionalities in the software component. Now I am coming to the advantages as well as benefits of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is used in several areas like in computer science, psychology, neuroscience, mathematics, statistics, biology. With the help of artificial intelligence, doctors are used to rectify and used to cure few advanced diseases, and also artificial intelligence plays a vital role in the automobile engineering for auto sensors to tell the driver in online to track the direction and also to track the route map. So these all the things, these all the advantages. So and the now next coming advantages are rerouting of the application and status of the application development as well as tracking of artificial computers and artificial equipments as I told above, artificial computer robots and computer machines. So artificial intelligence is implemented in real time scenarios in order to give and in order to play in order to develop a artificial computers. That means without the help of humans and without the help of human intervention, computer will do all performances and all duties. With the help of artificial intelligence, it will do all multitasking and all level duties, reducing the human intervention. So now I am concluding the topic and called artificial intelligence. Before winding up this, finally, artificial intelligence is plays a vital role in neuroscience and also in making of artificial machines in the future in the coming days. So all information technology people are implementing this artificial intelligence in their particular areas, as I told, neurology, psychology, biology, mathematics, and also implemented in automobiles. So I am concluding the session here. I will catch up with another trending technology in the YouTube. Bye for now. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you very much.